This is a F250 truck. The left panel is broken, so we're replacing the left panel glass. First, you'll need to vacuum off all the broken pieces, and make sure to vacuum any broken pieces on the track as well. All the broken pieces. Use a knife and cut off the broken glasses, the old glue. So use a knife and trim off the old glue. Make sure you wear gloves because these glasses are broken, and cut it carefully. Can you show me the blade? So it's a utility blade, handmade, attached to a metal pipe. So we find that this is the best tool to cut off old glue. Cut off those broken glasses on the cable, on the channel cable. So the hardest part is cutting out the old glue because it's broken, and yeah, it's attached to the frame. So once you have it clean, it's very easy to install. To also pull the seat back so you don't accidentally cut the seat, which is possible. So pull the seat back. When the glass is broken, there will be broken pieces on the track. So those small pieces on the track, you have to vacuum them off. Otherwise, it will damage the new glass that you're gonna put on. Maybe the cable will get jammed. And vacuum off all the broken pieces, including the track. If you don't clean them off, it will tangle the regulator cable. So you need to be clean very well. No loose pieces on the regulator track. Glass, all the broken glasses are vacuum off, remove. You're gonna have to trim the old glue down to a thin layer. You see the old glue is still very thick. If you don't trim that down and then apply the glass, then the glass will pop out. It won't even out with the other side. So as you can see, we're trimming off the old glue. So just trim it down to a thin layer, leaving a... This customer's left panel got damaged by a trailer. So as you can see, the trailer also damaged the body. So the body got pushed in a little. So if you don't plan to repair the body and just want to replace the glass first, you can apply a thicker layer in that area, a thicker layer of glue. So this way the glass can be even out with the other area. So that's the way to fix it. Here's another advice from my glass technician. As you can see, the bottom track right here, here's the track for the regulator cable. So there's a hole right here and there's a hole right here. So when you apply the glue, make sure you follow the old glue line don't apply to block this hole.
Drain hole.
This could be the drain hole for the water coming out of the track. So here's the drain hole. So make sure you don't block it when you apply the new glue. It looks like this section has no glue, so just follow the old glue line right here, okay, and leave this open, okay. So just make sure put the glass on, test it before you apply the new glue to make sure that the position is correct, and make sure it looks good and it fits well, and then you can start applying new glue when it's all good.
Looks good.
Looks good. On the right hand side next to the centerpiece, use a thinner layer. So the glue on the bottom along the old track, and then it goes up, follow the old glue line.
Missing one more.
So make sure this hole is not blocked.
I'm missing one
like
on the
this.
bottom.
Make sure check the glue. There's no bumps, uneven area, because once you apply the glass and if you need to pull that out, it's very messy. So make sure the glues are all even. There you go. It's applied. After the glass is done and applied, now you can come in and connect the heater, the two heater connector right here. So it's basically connected here. So it's very easy.